Hey guys, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. Today we're going to be installing a Starlink dish up on a TV antenna tower. Previously I did a video of installing this dish, and for now we just put it on the lawn because I wanted to put it up on the tower. I didn't want to drill holes in my fascia or on the roof. I wanted to use the antenna tower. But in that video I said that the wire to the dish here inside the post here was hardwired, when in fact it wasn't. See, I made a mistake. I guess I was just nervous because it looked like it was hardwired, and I kind of pulled on it and it felt stuck. I thought, I don't want to play with this too much because it's electronics, right? It's wires and everything. Paid a lot for this dish. I don't want to mess things up. So I'm thinking it must be hardwired. I should have watched some videos, but you can unplug it right here at the dish. So what happened was I thought it was hardwired. So when I ran the wire to the house over there, it's got a bigger end on it, a plug, and it's hard to get in a small hole like that in the wall. So I made my hole just a little bit bigger, and I didn't need to. But that's why I'm going to take that video down, and you will never see it because it's misinformation, and I don't want to do that. So that part is all done anyway. You know, it's just basically running this end here. What you would do is you take the wire and take it all in the house, drill out through the inside out. You only need a small hole. Then you could run that wire through into your dish. But I've already done the big mistake, and I'm being honest with you, and it just happens. Sometimes you just mess up in life. But anyways, my hole's already done. And so what we're going to do today is we're going to install this dish up on the tower. I have scaffolding, and I'm going to show you this. So what I did is I borrowed some scaffolding from a friend and put it up just for safety. We have our existing tower here, and at the top it narrows so you can fit them in pieces and lengths, right? I found a length, it's about 9 feet long, and I'm going to fit it over the top of the existing tower, use the bracing, and we're going to have our dish way up at the far peak up there, and we'll be above everything except for one tree, and it'll be fine. It's the best we can do. So here's the new piece of the tower that I found, and it's a little roughed up looking, rusty. I thought about painting it, then I thought, you know what, it's gonna rust or flake off anyway, so what's the point? And nobody really even looks at that stuff anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off about 6 inches of this pipe here because it's bent. And it looks to me that the dish part is going to fit in here just perfectly in this hole. It's going to be snug. That's what it looks like to me anyway. So I'm going to cut a piece of that off and get that ready and get a few bolts and nuts and everything ready, holes drilled to install the dish on the top of this post. And the idea is to put it on the post, installed, and put it all up in one piece. Because the dish is only about 9 pounds. I'm not sure how heavy this is. It's probably 30 pounds, 25 pounds. So it shouldn't be too hard. With the scaffolding, just fit everything in place and get the bracing hooked up to it, and it'll be just fine. Okay, we have the tower up and the Starlink dish is in position at the top. The post that is at the bottom of the dish fits exactly perfectly in that pipe. And I drilled a hole. There's a push tab that locks it into place. I drilled a hole to make it fit. So here I'm showing you drilling holes into the wall to feed the wire through. And this was previously happened. I just want to give you a quick show of what we're doing. Bringing it up into the house. We're plugging it into the modem. And here we're using the Starlink app to connect our modem to the dish and get everything powered up and connected. It's just really easy, step by step. I'm not technically savvy of any kind, so for me to be able to do it easily, it really is that easy. I'm going to show you old footage of when we first connected it on the lawn of the Starlink dish coming to life with the power on. It's always a highlight to watch this, and I thought I'd just include this in the video because it's fun. And right now we're going to do a speed test. This speed test was done as I was making this video. And you'll see that the reading is sort of low at the end, the final result. But this is the lowest it's ever been. And I think it's because I was recording this happening at the same time and it slowed things down. Plus we have a lot of cloud cover. Today it's overcast. I don't know, maybe that's it. But 46 was our reading. Now I'm going to do an upload speed. That was our download speed. Now I'm going to do an upload speed. Normally our download speeds are, with Bell, when I had Bell, it was like 6, 7, 8 on a good day. So 46 is still way better. Usually we get a reading in between 100, 150. Our upload speed with Bell was around, it was below 1. Below 1, believe it or not. Here we get around 4. Normally, when I do this speed test, it's around 14.